Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is Muhammad Ikmal bin Muhammad Shafi'i from Group 17, Lex 2022. Today we just had our discussion for Lex Week 7, and we actually discuss about how we should do the performance, either in public with public audience, or doing it in private. I personally think that we should do a public performance, since it's actually a hard work for the 12 of us. So maybe it's time for us to get an acknowledgement from the public. The only way we can actually know how the performance is accepted. Does it okay for the public? Does it well accepted for especially our generation, the students, is by doing public performance. When we do public performance, we can have reaction from the performance. Maybe when we do some epic scene, they can actually like wow. They can like do some reaction, and from there we can detect either we did a good job or not. And other than that as well, I personally think that by doing public performance, we can actually increase our confidence and test our limit. Either we can actually go beyond what we have always do. So yeah, my opinion is doing public performance, and that is what I actually voiced out during our discussion just now. Some of us actually disagree, and they suggested that we do a private audience, although what they say is quite convincing, because when we do private performance, we can do multiple angles, shots. If we do one shot video, we can actually explore more spaces, more places, which we cannot do if we do public performance, because we stick on one stage and only one place. And then we have a vote, which Afiq suggested, and we have a vote, and equally 6 of us agree that we should do public performance, and the other 6 of us agree that we should do a private performance. So from that, I concluded that we should do a mix of both, a bit of private and a bit of public. We can pre-recorded some scene and display it during our performance using LCD, so we can have a 12 minutes of acting on the stage, and maybe some singing or dancing, which we can convey through videos, which I think popular these days. So that is all for my self-reflective videos, and see you next week. Bye.